What's up, traders? Today is Monday, April 24th, and it's been over a week since I last traded, but I'm back. Hopefully, this laptop that I'm using is doesn't have very good audio, visual, video, so we're gonna skip the whole intro that I usually have and go straight to the mission objectives. This episode tonight should be pretty straightforward. Gonna cover the trading day, starting with a 195-minute chart, the 65-minute chart, and they get into intraday tweets. So let's get on into it. Okay, you're looking at 195-minute chart. So did you know that as of, what's the timestamp? It was this evening. We have positive cross on the 195-minute MACD right here. See that? Negative 0.13 compared to negative 0.14 on the MACD signal line. There it is. There's your positive cross. Basically, we are looking at the conclusion of this down move from last week. Last week was a shallow back test right here. See that? Look at that. Look at that. Okay, that's the conclusion. We're going back up. Look at that. Higher lows, higher highs. Yeah, that's what I thought. I was tweeting that over the weekend. I was like, yeah, we're going back up. Okay, so 65-minute chart. Look at all this, over the last week and a half. Gap up, gap down, gap down, gap down. None of that seemed to matter, guys. It's just a bunch of hocus pocus. David Copperfield, BS market makers are playing. So anyways, 65-minute chart. Look at that. Okay, so this is making lower lows last week, right? Shallow pullback last week. Lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. Up until Friday. But look at the MACD, 65-minute MACD going up, 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 up. That's bullish divergence. Bullish divergence. He was creating that bullish divergence towards the end of last week on Friday. And now you have higher lows. This is higher than this Friday low right there. There you have it. It's starting to go back up. We are going back up. You're probably asking, what does that mean relative to earnings? Well, hey, if the market maker plans on taking this thing up, my thesis is it doesn't matter what earnings are going to show. Markets have already priced that in. They've already made the decision. They have a price target in mind already. Let's go back to this here. You can't quite see it. I've zoomed in. This yellow line right here. Yeah, you can't quite see it. Should have had another screenshot. This is the 65-minute chart. And well, that's the hive. It's 417.50, something like that up there. I can't quite see it. It's out of view. Okay, so we'll see, guys. We'll see. One thing's for sure. This is the 65-minute as of tonight extended hours right there. It's at the zero line. It's actually above the zero line. Positive cross above the zero line and above the signal line. You're not going down, guys. You can't do that. That's what I've been saying all along for 4 months now. You will not go down. That tells me the market maker is not planning to have earnings season tank it. What I suspect is this up move is going to continue. I'm just going to give you approximate dates and to continue into the first week of May. It's going to align somewhere around or right at the May FOMC meeting. Okay? Then, presuming we make higher highs than the February 2nd high. February 2nd is the high. Once you take that out, okay, once you take the February 2nd high out, then anything above that is gravy. And number two, now you have, air quotes, permission to go down. Permission to go down. Now, I also want to say it doesn't necessarily mean you will go down like the next day, okay? Because remember, February 2nd was the high. The true collapse didn't really start until February 16th. Think about that. That's 2 weeks later, guys. So we were chopping around, chopping around, chopping around, and then the collapse came. February 16th, 14 days after February 2nd high. Okay, so it's not just up and then, oh, we're going down. I think it's going to be up, chop, 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 and then collapse. Then we're going to go down and mess around and fill the 400s where we did a whole bunch of gap and goes in the last week of March. That's what I think is going to happen. Okay, so anyways, I just have a few tweets that I did here. Okay, so let's just get into it. Here's opening bell. Slight bearish divergence on the 5-minute MACD. Ooh, that was, yeah, I was referring to this right here. See that? This is lower than that. That is higher than that. That's what I'm talking about. That was slight bearish divergence, and I was just like, well, I'm gonna wait for the down. So check this out. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for the down move first to see how far it back tests down. It's funny that I say that because I thought this was the down move. Well, you'll see the tweets. My calls got trapped up here. Okay, so but oh, you'll see the tweets. We'll get to that in a second. So I'll try to consistently call trades today. Still working through some things. So all right, check it out right here. Okay. Oh, you can't see. I see this tweet. Slight pullback now. Need to see how far. I was referring to this right there. Right there. See that? Need to see how far. Okay, right here. Here we go. Oops. Well, I'll tell you what. Yeah, here we go. It's going higher, scaling long. So up, pullback, up. That would have been up, pullback, up. So I scaled long. But look what I said. Like moments after I said I was scaling long, I need to step away for a bit, guys. Sorry. Oops. So we all know what happened there. Boom. Okay. So now I'm back. Well, crap. So look for this. Look for this. It has a little lower to the bottom. Then look for up the rest of the day. All right, check it out. Okay. Here's the arrow that I drew that I propose it's going to do. It's going to do, so right here, this was the moment right here. See that? Oh, look at that. Look at there, guys. Up, down, up. Up, down, up. Okay. So, what happened? I scaled long right here, guys. Yeah, right here. So, where? Yeah, right here. See that? Right there. I figure out what you're scheming. Yeah, there we go. I scaled long right here. I knew we were somewhere near the bottom. It was somewhere near the bottom. Okay? So, scaling more long, it's around the bottom. RSI did not go below 30 this entire time. That was key. New 65-minute candle just opened too. Okay. Yeah, right here. See that? Look at the RSI right there. Never went below 30. Let's see what happened. Yep. Right here. See that? The whole day. Never went below 30. That's how I knew. Also, I was like, nah, you're not tanking this thing. You're not doing it. Okay? So, okay. Yep, going back up, 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 up. So, now we have the answer to my question that I asked at opening bell. How far will it drop? This is right here. So, when I look back, actually, do I say it here? Oh yeah, next time around, I'm gonna watch for this drop. There were signs making me ask the question to begin with. Meaning, earlier, the tweets that I showed you earlier, I'm like, I'm gonna wait for this thing to drop. Okay, but I kind of jumped the gun on that. But next time, I'm not going to jump the gun. I'm going to wait for the. There were signs there that it was going to drop. All right. So, um, anyways, yeah, scaled out of calls right there. I held on literally to the final 5 minutes, guys. I had a feeling it would not collapse at the end. So, you want to know why I said that? Oh, hold on. I said that because. Oh, I don't have the tweets. Hold on. Let me see. View last presenter. So, it was on the 65-minute chart. Well, let's just go back since I don't have presenter view. Well, that's weird. Okay, here's the 65-minute chart right here, right at closing bell. I was watching this. The 65-minute chart wanted to pierce that zero line so bad, but it was holding off. It was waiting and waiting. It was waiting for closing bell. That's how I knew it wasn't going to collapse. See what I mean? It was already. Look at the position. Zoom in. Look at that. Look at that. I was like, oh, you're waiting to take off. You're just waiting. Okay. So I was like, no, this is not going to collapse. This is not going to collapse. You just got separation here, and now you're hovering around that zero line, wanting to pierce it. So that's why I waited until the final 5 minutes to get out of my call position, because I was thinking, oh, you're gonna go up and right into the closing bell. Okay, so that's basically all I've got for you guys tonight. Kept it short and sweet. Feel free to follow me on Twitter, where I give real-time tweets of the intraday action. Don't forget to listen to your favorite music while you're trading. It helps you get in the right state of mind. Helps you get into the right flow state. Please give this video a like, share, subscribe, or click to be notified when I release something